Hello, in front of me I have BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to hard reset this device by using the system settings. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, swipe left on the screen to go to the next page, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select the system. Here tap on advanced and select reset options. Now let's tap on erase all data, then tap reset phone, and finally tap on erase everything to confirm and start the resetting process. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.